Hello guys, this is Toby Stories guys, Toby Stories. Wow, wow. We are guys Thursday guys. August 27 guys, August 27. Look, for example, the Toby Stories guys, look, NHL 26, 27 guys, national television schedule announced. This is different. There's a lot of news guys. Look, top prospect Toronto Maple Leafs. That's it, number one first. Is it McKenna guys? Yeah, could step into lineup immediately guys, immediately. Become playmaker guys alongside Anderson expected to miss a training camp. Avalanche confident guys Maker will yeah, Marker guys. I don't know how what's his contract guys. It will be an unbelievable number guys. Unbelievable number. His contract will be like in the 15. It will be in the 15 guys. I don't know if it will be like Michael Sabri. His contract will be the same like Michael Sabri. The amount of money. The 15 number guys. 15, 16, 18. Wow. Oh yeah. There's an article guys, before I go here, so I've already hear about the Toronto Maple Leafs. This article is in French language, and I'll find exactly this article is in English language. Look, so there's a lot of news in the shock. Like, look, all the news. Oh, it says, says guys, Senators have us guys, got to move on without Kitchak. That's different guys, Lombard. So this way, look, look guys, inside look at Toronto Maple Leafs guys. Poas, is it Poas guys or what? Was for playoff return after overhauling this from front office, drafting Mikey number one. Look, this article here is in English language, guys. Or I didn't read a lot, so I translate here. The same article is in French language, guys. Look, prêt à faire son retour, guys, en séries éliminatoires après une refonte, guys, de son administration et la sélection de Kevin McKenna pour me rendre au repêchage. So they talk about this is for example, this is very interesting, guys. I have the article in French language, guys, here. NHL.com propose une analyse approfondie des effectifs, des espoirs et des statistiques fantasy pour chacune de ces 32 équipes de 1er août au 1er septembre. Aujourd'hui, c'est le Maple Leafs de Toronto. Les Maple Leafs de Toronto ont subi l'une des transformations les plus spectaculaires et les plus complètes de leur histoire récente. Une transformation qui a touché aussi bien la direction que l'encadrement technique et l'équipe sur la glace. Une dernière place, 32, 36, 14. 32 32 win, 36 loss, 14 loss in overtime prolongation. So the article is here, guys. I'll show you here. They say that the Toronto Maple Leafs guys underwent one of the most dramatic guys and thorough makeovers in their recent story. One is stemming from the front office guys, from the front office to behind the bench onto the ice guys. At a last place finish guys, 32 win, 36 loss, 14 loss in overtime or in penalty shot in the Atlantic Division, and missing the Stanley Cup for the first time guys since 2016 prompted a flurry of change that have reinvigorated skeptical fan bases with hope. The article is English guys. I have the same article here in French. For me, it's really to read in French. For example, they say in defense, guys, the Maple Leafs guys ont remédié à leurs difficultés guys, de circulation de rondelles en faisant l'acquisition de Radish Lightning. They said that Toronto Maple Leafs they bring a defenseman guys like Radish that who will carry the puck, who will, for example, who will carry the puck, guys, who will, for example, in the how can I say that in the offensive zone, who will, of course, he has a good, for example, how can I say, he has a good shot. For example, one-timer shot is excellent. But okay. I'll go here and I'll find here. On defensive ball, just their puck moving guys. Sagas boy dealing for Radish guys from the Tampa Bay Lightning and Emil Andre from the Philadelphia Flyers. No, Radish guys who set NHL career highs in goals 22. Radish guys, he has an excellent shot. He has they say cannon guys. It's a rocket. He has a rocket shot. That's why last year he scored like almost 20 goals and he made almost 68 or 70 points. So Radish was setting his career goals in goals, 22 guys, power play goals, 10 assists for the 8 points, 20 guys. Last season was acquired in a sign and trade that came with a new 8-year contract. Guys, the 30-year-old grew up 40 miles northwest of Toronto in Caledon, guys, Ontario. He said that it was always the dream of his late father, Doyne, who died from cancer against March 3, to have Darren and brother Tyler one day to play for his beloved Toronto Maple Leafs. That's different. So that's different. It will take time, guys. And there's also, I go to the here. This is about this is interesting for me. It's also, yeah, just take a look. Daily have conversation about 34 team. That's very interesting. Guys, already about 34 team. The expansion is very interesting. Guys, it's still coming. Wow. Yeah, Delhi have all the expansion. Guys, conversation. This is very interesting. It's not a lot. Okay, this is interesting. There's a lot. But that's also about the national league. Is also, yes. But for me, this is all more about hockey. So we go back here. Top stars. Wow.